Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh everyone. My name is Khawla and
I am Yusha.
and today we will talk about this awesome artist. This is Sacha Jeffrey, and do you know what is he working on? In this video, Sacha Jeffrey is making the hugest painting in all world. Can you guess how large this painting is? This painting is
Largest 2 football fields.
This painting took months to complete for Sacha. It took him 20 hours to work every day.
Only 4 hours of rest?
This is the passionate Sacha Jeffrey. Such an amazing, inspirational artist. But why is one man's work so important?
How did he make it so special? And why is it so important for us?
This is what I'm gonna tell you in this video. During the COVID-19 pandemic, when the whole world was locked away inside their homes and felt helpless and powerless against the disease, Sacha Jeffrey wanted to work on something so large, so grand, and so amazing that it would move and inspire not only the people of UAE but the whole world and all the hearts and all the humanity inside them. He called his work Humanity Inspired. But Sacha did not want to do this all alone.
Then what did Sacha do?
He wanted the children to participate all over the world.
How did he do that? Oh, I know, social media.
That is when I came inside the picture. My mom and I love to do art together.
Oh, me too.
She wanted me to participate in this amazing adventure. So she asked me to select a piece of art to send as a submission to Sacha Jeffrey so he could use it in his artwork.
And my mom did the same.
And luckily my painting got selected. And they became a part of world's largest painting.
In a Guinness World Record too. Khawla, do you know why Sacha work is so good than anybody in the world?
Yes, Yusha, I know. Because all of the pictures we made that became a part of Sacha's work will be sold. All of the money will go to charity to help children around the world.
Khawla, that is such a good deed. We are a part of that now.
Yusha, you know the Zoom call Sacha Jeffrey did with us? It was such an amazing experience. He taught us a lot about art and asked us to make a picture according to his advice. I am so happy that I was able to make Sacha Jeffrey inspired artwork.
Khawla, do you know what is the amazingest part in here? It's Omama's picture.
Yes, Yusha, the art we made with Omama is the amazingest all.
Khawla, do you think we can go there and see our paintings very close?
Oh yeah, I wish we could go and see the picture in the gallery, the pictures. I hope Sacha Jeffrey invites us to the gallery.
Khawla, you are so lucky to go to Sacha Jeffrey's auction.
Yes, Yusha, I would have loved to take you with me, but I went there with my parents. It was so amazing. Did you know Sacha's painting was so beautiful and so big? I was so amazed to see it. So many colors. It was like a firework everywhere. Tusha, you know I found all of our artworks in my painting. It was so amazing to see all of that. And I also met Sacha. Did you know what Sacha told me?
These guys that are going to do it now.
Yes.
Are you going to change the world?
Yes.
For sure. Are you going to change the world? Sure.
Say yes. Say yes loudly. Gugu, say yes.
All right.
Thank you so much.
I'm sure we will do something as great as Sacha did. Inshallah, and make Nanu proud. Ameen. Tusha, do you know? Sacha's painting sold in the auction for $62 million. Isn't that amazing? He will use this money to help all the children who need proper education around the world. When I saw Sacha give his work in charity, I gifted him my painting, and I also got his autograph on your paintings and mine.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Hi, Khawla. Congratulations on your beautiful work. So beautiful. I'm going to sign it. Here we go. This is very thick. I don't want to ruin this beautiful painting.
We like to thank Sister Jaffrey for just such an amazing opportunity. Thank you for watching our video. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.